Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn insertion sort. Before that, I want to mention something. Uh, Here is my GitHub repository where you get all the codes of any topics like in DSA, sorting arrays, all the topics you get the all the codes in this repository. And if you want to learn DSS step by step, just go to the Google and search my name and go to my portfolio. And in portfolio, you just have to go to DSS section here, and you get the step by step all the video links in one place for end-to-end DSA course in Python. So let's coming back to our topic today's topic, which is insertion sort. So, what is insertion sort? We sort the array by inserting the element to the left side. What we do in insertion sort? We sort the array by sorting the left side array. For example, we have array of 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. So what we do, we pick the 5 and compare with 3. When we compare with 3, we will 3 swap the 5 and 3, and we our array will become 3 and 5. And then 4 is inserting in 3 and 5 array, but we are not creating the extra array for that. We are doing it internally. So let's do the implementation of the insertion sort. Here is a complete end-to-end, step-by-step explanation of insertion sort. You will get in GitHub repository where I mentioned in earlier in video. So let's define the function called as insertion sort, and pass the array. So after passing array, the most common step in every sorting algorithm is that if length of array is less than equals to 1, we will return array. So after returning the array, what we of in next step we define the for loop for I in a range of 1 to the end of the array, length of array. So we are ignoring the first element because we are comparing the first element and swapping the upcoming element. So after defining the for loop, we have to define the key. So key is nothing but error of I. After defining the key, like we define the jth element, so we are just creating the pointer for while loop j is equals to I minus 1. So we are getting the previous element of key elements. Like if I'm selecting the here I'm selecting the 2, then I want to also define the pointer at one place. So for after that, after uh, uh, defining the pointer and keys, we use while loop while we know that j is always greater than or equal to 0. So first condition is that j is greater than equals to 0, and we use AND operator. Using AND operator, we also able to define the another condition. So in another condition, we use error of j, like uh, for example in first insertion we are comparing 3 with 5, so we define error of j as 5 and key as 3, so we are comparing it. So when we swap, if the initial element is greater than the uh, upcoming element, then we swap. So in while condition we have to write that error of j is greater than the key element. So after defining the while loop, we have to just write the error of j plus 1 is equals to error of j. So we are moving the previous element to the upcoming element, and we just write sorry, j minus equals to 1 minus equals to 1, and after defining that, if the condition get uh, false here, if j minus 1 gets minus 1, then this condition will dissatisfy. And also we are using the AND operator, so if one of the these condition this satisfies, then whole while loop breaks. So after breaking the while loop, we just have to write ARR of j plus 1, which is if the this condition j greater than equals to 0 dissatisfies, then obviously j is equals to minus 1. We have to define it as j plus 1. So uh, it will define in first iteration itself, our j becomes minus 1, and after j plus 1 it will become 0. So in 0 we also assign a key to the second element. So just write the key. Here we just done the swapping, nothing else. So after completing this, just return the array. So we are done with our insertion sort code. So define the array with random elements like 45, 54, thala for a reason 7, and 10, 12, 7, 18, etc. Then just return the function insertion sort. Insertion sort. In insertion sort, we have to pass the array. So after passing array, just execute it. You will see that our array is sorted. So this is how insertion sort works. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you get some knowledge from this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.